Hello guys, welcome to Doza Digitals, where we share everything crypto and also other opportunities in Web3. Over Protocol has come out to say that there's going to be a KYC process, and the KYC will require you to download an app called Flipster, alright? And a lot of people are having challenges accessing this particular app and also conducting their KYC exercise, alright? And some are also saying that what then is the use or the importance of the OKS verification exercise that was done. And the Over Protocol team have come to say that the OKS Cryptopedia is independent, and that means those who are participating in that Cryptopedia exercise are going to get a particular amount of airdrop. So that means that exercise is independent of this particular exercise. Don't forget that there are a lot of people that have multiple accounts, and one of the things that Over Protocol is trying to do is to work around what we call the Sybil detection, all right? And this Sybil detection only covers the Overwallet, okay? And so people are expected to carry out a verification process. If you go to their Medium article that was posted, where they talked about the people that are eligible for the airdrop, all right, they said that there are three main ways to receive an airdrop from the Over Protocol: members who have Overwallet points and pass the Sybil detection, all right, members who participated in the testnet using Overnode and meet the criteria, members who are holding Netta's NFT, and you have just 1 day left, that's today, to actually get this NFT, all right? And so members who have Overwallet points and pass the Sybil detection, what is the process about? He said this is the process needed to verify a single account and the authenticity of a friend card for fair airdrop distribution in Overwallet. You must complete this mission within the period to be eligible for the airdrop. The Sybil detection mission only affects the Overwallet airdrop, including palm staking. When is this due? This is due for May 31st. So they strongly recommend that everyone should start the process as soon as possible, all right? So if you go to your Overwallet application, you are going to see the notification there where you are asked to commence this particular Sybil detection process, all right? So you see, so get ready for airdrop, all right? I'm just going to claim my daily grants for today. So I'm going to click on this so I can get ready for the airdrop, all right? So you see, you have until May 31st, so 7 days from now. So what you want to do is to select your nationality. I have selected my nationality. Then it's a link a Flipster account. So what are you going to do? Click the button below to download Flipster and sign up. Return to this page and click the button again to link your account. So when you click on this, it's going to take you straight to Google Play Store, all right? When you get to Play Store, you download the app. If you are in Nigeria or any other part of the world and you are struggling to access or register on the Flipster due to network overload, all right, what you want to do is that you want to turn on your VPN. For me, I use the Tubo VPN to be able to access the Flipster account, register, and do my KYC verification, all right? After doing that, the next thing you want to do is to click on this Open Flipster. When you click on it, then it's going to pop up like this, all right? Don't forget, you must have registered on Flipster. Do your verification. If you have not done your verification, there's no way you can link the Flipster account with Overwallet. So when you come here, you click on agree, all right? After doing that, it's going to bring you back up to this, all right? And it says complete Sybil detection. Your submission is under review. Please check Flipster if it takes more than 2 days, all right? So I have submitted this for the Sybil detection. So I'm just going to come back and check in about 2 days, or I'll check my Flipster to see if it has been linked. And if it has been linked, it means that I have successfully passed the Over Protocol Sybil detection mission. And also, if you click on this part here where we have the settings, all right, you're going to see something like this where it says show recovery phrase, all right? It means that your Overwallet has changed. So there's a recovery phrase. I'm not going to click on this. I'm not going to open it so that you're not going to see my phrase, all right? But when you enter in your passcode, okay, it's going to show you your 12 recovery phrase. So what you want to do is to copy the recovery phrase and save it somewhere very safe that no one can have access to it, all right? So guys, That is that about this particular video. If you have found value in this video, please do hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. And also share this video with your friends and your community so that we can onboard a lot of persons into the Web3 space. That'll be all for now, guys. See you again in my next video.